This is Mel from Bangle Whisper. Welcome to Bangle Whisper. Hi, today we're going to make red bell pepper, and this is sweet red bell pepper, and show you a special way to make it so it tastes even better. So I'm just going to add a bit of oil, like 1 teaspoon, not more than that. As my oil heats up, I have my onion, ginger, garlic chopped. So this is 1 onion, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 inch ginger. But I'm going to add something else to the oil first. So I'm going to add little bit of cumin seed, little bit of asafoetida, and this ingredient is the one makes the difference, called kalonji. It's black cumin, and this is very good for your health too. And they look like this, little black. I'm gonna add that, few of them, not a lot, because this reduces your blood sugar. Now once that, make sure this gets little bit of roasted but not burned. So as this one cooking, a little bit of roasting going on. And now to this one I'm going to add my onion, ginger, garlic. And then as soon as you add it, it's going to give a nice aroma. Now I'm going to cook this one about 5 minutes or so on low heat. It could be 5 or 10. So I'm just going to turn off the camera and then show you when it's done, because I don't want you to sit there for 10 minutes. So now it is almost 5 minutes past. Now I'm going to add my red bell pepper cut. I had about 4 large bell peppers. Now to this I'm going to add all my spices. The spices are salt, turmeric, and garam masala powder, and I have some vegetable masala, and I have cumin and coriander seed roasted and grounded. But you don't have to add so much, you can add just few things and it will still be tasty. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cilantro leaves chopped. Okay, now let's cover it and let it cook for 10 minutes, and it will be done in 10 minutes because it doesn't take long. And then after it's done, you can taste it and see if you want to add any more things, but this will be fine just like this because this will have a sweet taste. So as you can see, the yummy beautiful red pepper curry is ready, and it's tasting awesome. And I'm just going to pour it in a bowl and give you a picture, but this is what it looks like. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video, and I will see you with many more. Thank you. Bye bye. Good night. Hi, thank you so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe